because today I'm going to be drawing a jellyfish. Yeah, would you like to join me? Okay, let's go. Did you guys know that jellyfish do not have any heart or brain or blood or bones? Isn't that fascinating? Okay, are you ready? Yeah, let's go. So first we're going to make an arc shape, okay? Your turn. Alright, and now we're going to make a slightly curved line. Yep, just like that. Alright, now along this bottom, we are going to make a small upside down arc shape, okay? It's like that to you, okay? Yep, like that. And now we're going to continue along the bottom line, okay? So the number of yours might be different than mine, that's alright, okay? Great job in following along! Okay, and now we're going to make the tentacles, okay? So we're going to make a wavy line, okay? Watch this. Yep, like that. And now we're going to connect it back to the body, okay? Yep. Good job. Now let's continue making more of those tentacles, okay? And connect it back to the body. Let's make 2 more, okay? Good job! And 1 more. Now we're going to make a thin tentacles in between these ones. Watch this, okay? So yeah, you can make a loop-the-loop if you want to. You can make 1, you can make 2 loop-the-loop. So we're going to make another one in between this. I need 2 loop-the-loop in that one. Good job! Now let's make more of those lines in between, okay? Looking really good! Let's add eyes and mouth to make it super cute, okay? So I'm gonna draw 2 circles as the eyes, okay? Your turn. Alright, now I'm going to draw 2 more smaller circles as highlights of the eye, okay? And now you can color that in. Are you following along? Good job! So now I'm gonna add the mouth and also I'm gonna add eyebrow, okay? Wow! It's looking so cute! So now all that's left to do is just to color it. Let's do it! Wow, that jellyfish looks awesome! Good job, everyone! I hope you had fun, as I had fun! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, okay? So that we can draw again on the next one together. Okay, I hope you have a nice day, and I'm gonna see you on the next one, okay?